To create an event log data table, click the Event Log button that's found in the Options menu. Events can be entered manually or imported from an Excel file using the Import File button under the Options menu. Again, with this dialog box, you want to make sure that begin date and end date are chosen, and your event log should contain, at the very least, an event name and ideally a description. Many energy managers use this to have their facility operators, maintenance operators, keep track of any changes or work that they do that may impact energy consumption. Click in the green check mark, and the data has now been loaded into our event log.